EPA is not going to be happy about this.
Gosh dang, it's sitting on the ground. I like it. Alright guys, another day in the shop. Back on my old 65 Chevy. So, I'm not by myself today working on it. We got the whole crew here. I've decided that I'm not a body and fender guy, nor do I ever want to be one of those guys. So we're going to take this cab, we're going to set it back on here, and we're going to build all the stuff that needs built before the cab gets all done. The cab's going to get done. This truck's going to get painted green and white at some point in time, but not today. We're going to set the cab back on it, put the front clip on it, put all the new parts I have on it, get the AC bolted in, built. We got so much to do, but I need all my parts in one place so I kind of know where I'm at and what I have to order. So the supercharger is not going to be here for like 6 more weeks, I think, something like that. We've got a lot of stuff that we can get done until then. So we'll put all the parts together and we'll make a list of stuff we still got to buy and come up with and all those things. So in the meantime, we got to find somebody that's willing to fix all the rust in this thing and get it nice when we're done with it. So cab's going on. Roll it in so we don't have to pack it very far. Yep, that'll do. Ready? Gotta go forward.
Motor sits farther back than I thought it would. Got a bunch of room though.
Yeah, once the blower's on it, then this whole thing's full.
Yeah.
It'll set right up in there. We can take this off, Landon. This throttle pedal doesn't need to be there. It's gonna have to be cable. It already looks better with a cab on it.
Yeah. She's gonna set proper.
She's gonna set low.
Proper.
She is gonna be low. That's a bigger one. That's a freaking 10, not an 8. That thing has a serious amount of fuel coming out of it.
That's hot rod stuff.
She's gonna need it.
She probably will be thirsty. This is probably not a gas conservative situation.
EPA is not going to be happy about this.
No, no. I highly doubt they're going to be like, hey, we're going to give you an award for
Most fuel efficient trunk on the.
Let's move some debris and we'll get us a bed. Going down. Right there seems to be sort of lined up on the front.
Dude, this thing's already got a roll pan on it.
Yeah,
Custom one.
it needs a real roll pan.
1960.
Weight reduction. Yeah. Here, Jay's got
What
your
would be
board.
cool is you instead of put
I'll get
wood,
this one too.
instead of putting wood back in it, you put like half wood and then half glass, or like plexi, so you can see all the suspension components, but still staying on it and stuff.
What they do is they put the wood in it and epoxy coat it and make it freaking cool looking.
Yeah.
Well,
Stainless rails and
I have the wood oak kit, stainless rail kit, everything for it. I've been accumulating parts for like 10 years. I'm not sure we need to put.
You're definitely gonna need bigger tubs.
the rear end needs to come backwards.
Yeah, we're definitely gonna, the rear end. That's what I was saying at the bed. I don't know what we got going on here. It looks to me like rear end needs to be backwards just a
Stretch it like
an inch.
inch and a half.
But
We didn't square the cab.
cab's not squared. So I've got it.
I got it tighter.
Oh,
than
it's
you wanna do
tight.
that way.
Yeah, we'll probably loosen that.
Backwards is just not.
Yeah, I'll bet we got to squeak that cab forward.
Is this called a step side?
No, this is called someone cut a hole in a good bed.
And put that there.
Yeah. It does look pretty good though. I'm liking it. There we go. It moved.
Wow, that almost looks like a truck.
It's getting there. It's gonna look like a truck in just a minute. We're gonna set the front clip on it.
Cool.
Then we'll go upstairs and get the doors. Shut the doors on it. I have new fenders. Man, go up and start bringing all those parts down. You and Jace. Been a long time coming on this old girl. But the door's back. No need to tighten everything up super tight. So we're trying to get all our parts and pieces in one spot so we can see what we still gotta do. We'll get all these snuggish. We've tracked down all the brake parts that we need. We're gonna go ahead real quick and just bolt the master cylinder and stuff to the cab, basically because we don't want to lose it and we have a tendency of losing parts. Although I did find our bolts. These are all the bolts that hold this whole thing together, so we can start piecing everything that we took apart back together. Now that we know where these go, we're gonna figure it out.
You have room.
So this is a Willwood brake setup. It goes in right here, something just like that. We gotta make this hole slightly bigger right there, and then it should work. Tom, I'll bet we can just use a hole saw.
Think so?
The outside hole is the right one. I'll bet it'll center us. I'm gonna go first gear. We've got a hole. Is it a big enough hole? Oh, we're ever so slightly. You're gonna have to hog it just barely, but.
That's not gonna be in the way of the supercharger.
No, supercharger comes up. It stays in there.
Is it taller than the one on the Firebird?
1 inch taller.
You have more displacement in your supercharger than my whole motor does.
Exactly.
2.4.
Punch that, huh?
So that overhangs. It's up
Yep.
to you whether you want to trim that off or whether you just want to sandwich it. I don't know that it's going to make a ton of difference.
I think we can just, yeah, we'll sandwich it. I'll get a drill bit. What size is that way? 3/8 or? Like, inch and a half long.
Boom.
The bottom ones are the long breed. Lan, go inside and we'll fish this to you. Doesn't look like the holes are lined up. And I drilled your holes, I'm telling you what. I'm blaming you, and it's not even Tuesday. Let's see if they fit first. It doesn't look like they're gonna fit to me. Try the bottom one. Those long enough?
Yeah.
Perfect. Try that top one again. Oh, look at that. They gonna work?
Yeah, I'm just trying to get them to start.
All right, perfect. It's all coming apart again. All I'm doing is trying to get all the pieces where they go, because I'm dropping this thing off running, driving to somebody and saying, fix this truck.
Here you go. When I come back, I want it to
Yeah.
be rust free.
Yeah, exactly. All right, we got the front clip. I actually have new fenders, so we're gonna set this thing up on and probably put some new fenders on it. New grill, so let's ease it in place. There we go.
Dude, that's gonna set low in the front. That's gonna be sick.
She's a low rider.
Rider.
Every time we add a part, it looks cooler. It gets lower looking.
Changing
It does
the
get lower looking. Gosh dang, it's setting on the ground. I like it. It's bringing back lots of good memories. I'm gonna send the boys down to the junkyard. I have another one of these trucks down there. So right here, if you'll look, this is my core support. I forgot it. It's bent and broke right here. So we'll go see if the other one's in better shape than this. We're gonna make the best one out of two of them. I'll pull the front end apart while you guys are going to see if that's better.
Grill's coming.
Yep, now you just flip that other side.
Headlights just set in there.
Yeah, they're part of the grill. We'll take all those parts and
I remember
pieces.
these bulbs are pretty bright.
Yeah, they're pretty fogged in. Okay, now we've got to take these headlight pieces and swap them into there.
This one is broke.
Somewhat riveted. Yeah, I think you can just drill those rivets. We'll put them in and re-rivet them.
There's only 2 rivets holding this one in.
This one's still pretty good on this side, so. All right, we're gonna trim the inside of the fender just barely here so that it will fit over these shock towers. It's hitting right across here, so we'll trim them up. We'll have her fitting in no time. It's looking good. Clears everywhere. I think that's gonna work. Yeah, every time we put it on, it looks lower.
Just look at the tire over here. I'm like, wow. It's so much lower than it was before.
See how big a tire you have to fill that well, though?
Yeah, if not, it looks like a friggin' Tonka toy tire.
We
in
have
it.
235s in there. See, look at that, no dents.
It's really that low.
Gosh dang, it is. It really is that low. That looks good on there. This right here needs need a hammering utensil.
One side.
Bring in the noise.
Tom's got this fender pretty much back together.
If the bottom wasn't rusted out on the cab and this fender was out where it was supposed to be, she'd look mint. Beautiful. But it is rotted out. It don't fit. If only we knew a guy that could fix this. There's those 3. It's gonna be up to you now, Jace.
Fender 2.
Fender number 2.
That one's not as bad.
This one's in pretty good shape. We're gonna keep it. We have other trucks that we may do something stupid with. Yeah, stuck. Sure. Oh, that's stuck.
Going forever.
All right, well,
That looks sweet though.
we're about to put a bumper on it and she's gonna look good.
Nine 16 heads or 5/8.
9. Niners. We'll see if the factory adjustment is close. Hood's on, let's bolt a bumper on it. And we're done. That's the bottom on your side. Just like so. Beautiful. I don't know that you can get a gun to any of these, but we'll give it a try. We might be able to get a ratchet. That impact ratchet?
Yeah.
That may get up in there.
She's gonna be nice and polished like.
She is built. Those are all the parts that we possess currently for this truck. she is.
It's gonna be pretty low.
She's gonna be pretty low. I like it. I've always liked it. Now we just got to get the bed dealt with. Move the rear end backwards a little bit. Finish all the body work.
She does
Looks
look
fast
kinda...
just sitting here though.
Yeah, it does.
I think it's probably going to be fast. That's about all we're going to get done on the old 65, but it looks like a truck again. I'm getting excited. Now I got to spend piles of money. I need a seat. I got to take it up to the hosers and build fuel lines for it to get up here. We still got to mount fuel rail, vintage air. The list just goes on and on. But we'll get it all put together, put in this thing, and then we'll get some body work done on it and someone can paint it. So till next time, thanks for watching.